Okay, so upon the recommendation of several channels, I got one of these. This is the Oxygenics Pure Shower Genius. That sucks. Alright, so we're going to see what it takes to put this thing in, and then we'll do a little review on it. That's nicer than what we have now. It moves.
Yeah, that's way nicer.
Okay, so let's figure out, first things first, how do I get this thing off of here? Well, I think there's water in the tanks, or at least in the hose. Okay, so that came out relatively easy. It looks like there's 2 screws. Well, hand me that mount right there. Let's see. By any chance, will the screw match up? No. It will not. Okay. Take this out. That's going in the trash.
This is junk.
Too much. At this point, I went out into the garage bay and pulled out some of my tools because I was going to look at actually removing the factory mount to see whether I could use those holes again or what was behind it. Turned out it had a gasket on it. It was sealed and I didn't want to mess with it.
You need to use the directions.
Directions?
Yeah.
Who needs directions? I'm a man. Men don't need directions. Hey Carla, come here.
Where is the grease?
In the back seat. Yeah, bye.
Something about putting it up higher than our other one.
Why?
Okay. Because this thing's got kind of a weird curve to it.
Yeah, but can we get it off if you put it that high?
Yeah.
Can I reach it?
But that's the other question. So let me see if you can. Yeah. Alright, cool. Let's go up there.
That high though? I think right in there. That's still.
That'll still work too.
I mean, where's that gonna hit you? Where do you want it to hit you?
I want it to hit me like top of the head. Like right here. We'll go in between there.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Alright, so this thing actually came with some thread tape on here like this. But I got a roll in here that I'm going to use because, well, that was one of the first things we bought for this camper was some thread tape because on our first outing, we were dripping water everywhere. Made a big giant mess. So we made a trip to Wally World, picked up this amongst other things. Alright. Done. C-Mac, it's done.
Cool.
Gotta figure out this hose. Okay. There we go. Done. Except for a real bendy hose, hopefully that will relax in the heat. We're good to go. Okay, so we're not done because one of the most important pieces and the reason why we bought this is for this on-off valve, which I forgot to put on. Who needs instructions? You'll notice extra parts eventually.
Yeah, that's why I told you to use instructions.